Oh, yeah, Philippine women are very, very nice and beautiful. OMG. Tignan niyo yung fog. Ano pa ngayon? Alas 8 ng umaga. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Oh, malamig. Good morning, youngsters. Maing buntag. It's Wednesday today. May pasok tayo. Balik work tayo today. Malamig pala sa labas. Nakita nyo yung fog. OMG. So, alas 10 yung pasok natin. So, alas 10 plus 7 is 5 o'clock yan. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 o'clock ng hapon sa Pilipinas. Yan yung pasok ko today. And then, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung aking nadagdag sa aking Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng bulaklak. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, nilagyan ko ng bulaklak para naman medyo, tignan ba? Para yung kasing dati, parang hindi full. Yan, final na yan. Pero parang, gusto ko na naman dagdagan ng bola. Pero tignan natin. Yung Christmas tree, ganun pa din siya. Hinaantay na ni Banda kung kailan ko siya matapos. So, tapos na yung aking tubig. Mamahaw. Tignan nyo yung aking leftover, oh. Yung kinilaw kahapon, lanlanan ko na yan, pakpakin ko yan ngayon. Calamares, babaonin ko sa work para sa salad. May ulang, kainin ko din ngayon. Ganun. Tapos, kain ako ng tinapay lang. Tapos, tea tayo with or coffee. Coffee na lang, nasarap ng coffee. Pero sarap din yung tea na lemon at saka honey. Pero ngayon, magkakape tayo. Bet nyo ba yung aking polo, tong aking long sleeve, siya, sa boys to siya age, sa 14 to 16, so large to sa boys. Medyo dito, medyo masikip, pero okay naman siya. Tapos sa likod, maganda, diba? So, binili ko to siya, kung nakita nyo yung vlog ko, binili ko to siya nung nakaraan. Para maiba naman akong uniform, kasi uniform ko, maiba akong suotin. Tapos, etong I think ilalagay ko lang siya. Maganda talaga pag, Tupperware. Dito na lang siguro. Ayaw ko kasi mag-Tupperware. Kasi alam nyo, pag nag-Tupperware, tawag nito? Lalong bibigat yung aking bag. Nagbabike ako. Lagay ko lang siya sa plastic. Kasi sa work din, meron kaming paper plate. So, doon ko siya ililipat pag gusto ko siyang initin. Initin ko yan mamaya. Dadala ako ng salad dressing. Tapos, salad. Yan yung ating lunch mamaya. Tapon ko muna to. Tapos, yung kakainin natin is, eto. Teka, lapat tayo kape. Fitness coffee pa rin. Thailand to siya. Yung lasa niya parang parang 3-in-1. Pero with collagen and sugar free daw to, pero matamis ha. Mga unta. Yung kinilaw talaga, yung una-una kong kinain, oh. Kinilaw. Diba sa atin, mas masarap yung kinilaw pag bahaw. Alam mo yung kinilaw, nilagyan ko ng konting gatas. Kasi sobrang putla niya. Pero talagang namimiss ko yung medyo parat-parat ba, pero hindi kasi pwede sa akin kasi high blood. High blood is on. So, tinapay lang at saka kinilaw. Sarap. Sarap pa din. Thank you Lord sa grasya. Mangaon. Kahapon pala, kagabi. Gusto ko sanang ubusin. Si Bana, nag-stop na siyang kumain. Sabi niya, masarap daw yung pagkaluto ko ng long deer. So, sabi niya, hindi ka na makain, hindi na. Sabi ko, sige, mag-stop na din ako. Ganyan kasi pag pag tawag nito yung low carb, dapat Pag full ka na, hindi ka nakakain, dapat stop na. Kain muna ako ha. So, maglalagay ako ng lipstick. Tagal ko na hindi nakapaglagay ng lipstick. Hala, upos na oh. Ito na gamit ko is Prep and Prime from MAC. Dapat daw pa-stay pa siya ng konti. Ganon. Ito din, ano ba to? Nice and Spicy. Maganda to siya. Kayo ang gamitin ko ha. May kaibahan ba? Parang wala naman kaibahan. Kaibahan ba mga lalabs? Kita niyo ba? Wala, di ba? Ganun pa din. Syenge. Shout out muna tayo bago tayo aalis na naman kasi paggabi kasi nakakalimutan ko na at saka tinatamad na akong tapos yung mukha ko ba kaso kayo na lang yung reason, no? So shout out to Mike and Judith Las Vegas, Simply Glee, Joe Atencio, kay Beauty Forever 08, kay Ma'am Alice Marco, kay Madam Lydia Vlog, kay Lenny Rose Salazar, kay Ma'am Erlinda Lanik, kay Easy Cooking with Ems, kay Mami Jean Vlog, shout out sa inyo dyan. Shout out also to Ruby Razonable. Shout out to Arlene Canoy. Shout out to Jag, John Troy, Anton Garcia. Shout out to Jocelyn Manatad. Shout out to Evangeline Mula. Shout out to Leia Gracia. Shout out to Telma Kubeta. Shout out to Virginia Baumbach. Tama ba, ma'am? From Germany. Thank you po for watching. Shout out to Ma'am Adela Eldestajo. And, sana ito si Ma'am Virginia, pwede, may chance sana na magkita kami. Baka next time. Kasi Frankfurt siya, mga around 4 hours travel. Baka makapasyal kami dyan or kayo magpunta dito sa outlet. Malapit lang po ako. Shout out to Carmi Gonzalez. Shout out to Diana Pagala, and also, nag-request pala siya sa akin na panoorin ko daw si Philippines and Pakistan. Nanonood po ako sa mga vlogs niya para hindi ata napapansin yung aking mga messages. Marami pong nagko-comment sa inyo na pansinin ko daw si ganito. Kilala ko po sila. Nagko-comment po ako sa mga videos nila pero wala po silang time na bumalik sa akin. So, at saka dun din po sa nagre-request na mag-collab kami ni yung mga sikat na vloggers natin dyan sa malapit-lapit. Di ko nalang pangalanan kasi nakakaya. Willing po ako makipag-collab. Ang problema lang is tawag nito, nahiya akong mag-approach tsaka parang hindi din nila ako papansinin. Dito lang sila sa malapit din. For example, Belgium, Germany, dun sa mga lugar niyan. Ayaw nila. Hindi, yung mga viewers na gustong akong makipag-collab sa iba. Ako po, willing na willing po ako. Isang message lang sa akin, yes na yes po. Shout out to Merly Sabiron, kay Ma'am Janaline Kayabyab, kay Jean Bagsik, kay Raisi Donghit from Boso Antipolo City. Thank you for watching. And shout out din kay Roslyn Belisario, kay G Snowal. Shout out to Alma Roel Jean Vlogs. Shout out to Hetherington from USA. Shout out to the Palho family. Shout out to Buhay ng Tagabundok by Sunshine Febs. Shout out to Emily Jan Corda. Shout out to Ma'am Josie Matanggihan. Ayun. Shout out to Baby Loud. Shout out to Rovenita Fabelia. Shout out to Maarting Maldito. Don't forget to visit my kapatid, yung totoong brother ko po. Kung gusto nyo po malaman din yung other side ng aking family, please watch my brother's channel, Maarting Maldito. And yun lang for now. Yun pa lang yung aking mga nakita. At saka, yung ating mga loyalist sa akin, yung aking mga BFF dyan, si Itza Bingsing at saka si Love in Scotland. Gustong gusto ko kayong ma-meet. Sana. Soon na ma-okay na yung positive lang tayo. Kung baka kayo makapunta dito or kami makapunta dyan. So, sana I'm willing to meet up. So, yun lang. So, mga lalabs, papasok na ako and dadalhin ko yung kariton. Dadalhin ko yung upuan ni Sofia sa aking bisikleta kasi kahit, for example, ma-emergency ba na kailangan kong pumunta diretso kay Sofia, meron akong sasakyan, hindi na ako uwi ng bahay tapos pupunta doon, no? Kung may mga emergency, purya-buya, Ginoo ko Lord, mga ganun. So, naisip ko, dalhin ko na lang. Baka pwede din akong umuwi ng maaga. So, baka pwede kong makuha si Sofia. Medyo may extra ako na mga ginawa sa aking mukha. Hindi naman extra, ganun pa din siya, pero medyo nagpaganda ako ng kunti ba? Hi! Guwapa, gid, guwapa! Dako lang kag naong day. Ayan, basta, I feel beautiful today. Yan lang yung ating iisipin. So, see you mga lalabs! Tignan niyo mga lalabs, diba? Super foggy. Hindi mo makita yung daan. Tapos malapit pa.
아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 I sound really fine. 다 잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Sound really fine. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah. 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 조금은 서툴렀던.
Good evening! Good evening. Nasa bahay na ako, as you can see. Kaliligo ko lang kasi pala today, 11/11 is holiday ng mga Belgium. So, lahat ng Belgium. Yeah. Hi! Not yet. Mama's not yet finished. Eat first, eat. So, lahat ng mga Belgium nagpuntahan sa outlet pero hindi talaga katulad dati na grabe, sobrang busy. So, ngayon marami kaming customers from Belgium, from Frankfurt, also Germany. Ang dami nila. So, ngayon, share ko sa inyo. Nandito si Bana kasi tanaw na to og silos ba to para hindi to magsilos. Dada, I have something to tell you. And this last minute of the day, before I go home, I helped a few as in 4 men. They are, I think, I don't know. They are from Frankfurt and they were looking for clothes for their children. So they bought a lot of things. And then there was one guy out of nowhere, but he cannot speak English. He said his friend. He asked something like, from where are you? Taga saan daw ako? So I said, yeah, I'm from the Philippines. I said, oh, yeah, Philippine women are very, very nice and beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. And then the guy was, because he was translating, and the other guy is so blushed, so pinky, and pinky on the face, and they bought a lot of things for the children, the body warmer and set from Polo and whatever. So, and then we were talking, and finally, and then one time the colleague said, because he cannot speak English, and then the colleague said, yeah, he is asking if, yeah, he said, he said something like, he said that you are beautiful. And then we told him, because I didn't understand the language, I don't know their dialect. They said, he said that you are beautiful, he wants to marry you. Like that. And I said, oh, thank you, sir, that I'm beautiful. He said that Filipinas are pretty, and he wants to travel with me in the Philippines. He said that. Yeah. And then yeah, we were talking, and then the other guy was laughing, 4 of them, and then they went to the cashier because it's almost 7. Then they wanted to pay, and I said, and Therese was there. Therese is also crazy. And when we were there, and then he said like, I said, sir, I have to leave you because my shift is finished. And then the guy said, oh, like that.
And then you should say, I said, yeah, I'm going home to my husband.
Yeah, I did not say that one. I said, I'm
Didn't
going
think of
home.
it.
And then I said, when we went to the cashier, and then Therese was there because there was a lot. They were busy, 2 people doing the transaction, but I don't know if there are maybe 1,000 something. And then Therese was laughing. I said, yeah, he wants me to travel with him to the Philippines. He wants to see Philippines. Therese was laughing. Tignan niyo yung bibig niya, gumano, no? My dada is jealousy, and my colleagues were really laughing. I said, sir, and then when I went to the back, dada, and my other colleague said, he was looking at you. When I went to the back to get my things, he was looking at you. And then when I go out by the door to check the bag, and I said to Therese, bye-bye. And I said to the gentleman, sir, thank you for shopping with us. And yeah, safe travel going to Frankfurt. And they said, bye. Did you like that, dada? I was so friendly. I'm super friendly at work. As in super friendly. Oh no! Oh, okay. It's okay na. Akala ko. Yes, it's fine, baby. Yeah. Tap. Tap. So, nahulog yung tray. Akala ko may noodles. My dada is jealous. Yeah. Need to kiss me, dada. You're the only man. Kiss
you. You kiss me.
I kiss you then.
Magagawa, laging natutulalay, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Pagtae. What is?
That was not a kiss.
You stink, man.
No, I don't.
I wanted to suck your suck this one, but here, but cannot be. You stinky. Was a good ano, ha? It was a good performance of me, helping those men.
Flirting more like.
No, that was not flirting. Was not flirting. I'm doing my best customer service, man.
Hey, what you doing? Come on, sit down with your yogurt.
Dada is jealousy. Yeah! Don't worry, Dada, I will sleep with you tonight. Don't worry, Dada, I will sleep with you tonight. para maulian. So that you are not same pad and everything. Dada. Dada. You see? If the man will ask me, can I ask your age? I will tell 25, oy! Oh
Kiss
no.
Boom.
Oh no. Samo tug kasuko iya ang dada kay nahagbungan og yugad ang piyama. Di yugasan to nasapot to ni sapot kay wala daw ko niingon og di ko na sinabi na uwi sa asawa ko. Bah! Ano ba yan? Oy, friendly lang. Pinalagot ko lang siya pag ganun kaya siya palagutin. Pero di mo siya magsilos. Ganyan lang yan. Yeah. Ma, are you still eating? What are you still eating, yeah? Pia. Uy. Say hi. Yes. Uy, be careful na. Be careful. No. Here, dada.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지